Hello everybody and welcome back to another video, and in this one we will be talking about how to create consistent characters with AI in RenderNet. Now basically before we dive into the video, we request you to head over to the link in the description of this video from where you can find a link to donate to this channel, as it is going to be supporting us a lot. So now the problem that was that how to create consistent characters in RenderNet. Now, and basically there is a feature called face lock. So you're going to be locking the face, so it is going to be utilizing the same exact face every time it generates a new image, and it enables a consistent face across all of your creations. Whether you start with an AI generated image or upload a photo, face lock maintains that face integrity in every new image prompted. This ensures unparalleled continuity in your visual narratives. Alright, so another thing that is here is control net. This allows you to reference an image to guide the pose and composition and style within your AI generated visuals. So if you are looking for something specific, make sure you upload it and give it as a reference, and it will be utilizing that image and creating the new generations based on those postures and appearances that are in your reference image. So that is another thing as well. Now by utilizing and combining both of these features, you can create some seamless and consistent results each and every time you generate a new generation. And yeah, that this is some tips that you can simply use in RenderNet to get your results much better. I hope this video helped. Make sure to head over to the link in the description to donate to our channel and support us if you find our videos interesting and guiding. So thank you so much for watching. See you around the next couple of tutorials.